Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be cleaning up this rim and painting it along with the one I'm sitting here on. And it's all rusty and it's really kind of a pain to try to beat it with a hammer and so forth. And I was introduced to this tool here about 2 weeks ago, and I'm not sure how I got by without it. This is a needle, what's it called? It's a needle scaler, and I got this from Harbor Freight. There's two different types. There's the professional, which is a little bit more money. I think this was like $90, and then there's a smaller one, and I think that was around 30 bucks. I went ahead and got this larger one here because I know this is going to be something that I'm going to be using a lot, and I didn't want to go with something small and end up having to go back and buy the bigger one. This is pretty heavy, so if you're weak, this is not something you're probably going to be wanting to play with because it gets heavy after a while. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to clean this rim all up. I've already tried this on another rim. Real happy with it. I'm going to clean this all up. I'm going to paint it, and we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and get started. And by the way, this is an air tool, so you're going to want some ear protection. Okay, well there it is, cleaned up real nice, maybe about 3 minutes at the most on this. I mean, this thing is absolutely incredible. It does like its air, I will tell you that, so make sure that your compressor can handle it. Otherwise, you're going to have to wait for the compressor to come back up. It did kick on twice on me, but I was still able to get the job done with no problem. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint this up with some oil-based paint. Okay, well there it is. As you can see, it came out real well, and I owe it all to the needle scaler. I'm sure the one that's a step down from this will do fine, but I just want to be prepared for any big projects that may be coming up. So I hope this helps you with your rust that you may be working with, and stay tuned for the next one.